friends, I hope everybody is having an amazing day. I have ordered 2 meals from the restaurant applications and 2 meals from the food delivery apps, and I'm gonna test their delivery time and price. So let's go and explore. I'm ordering burgers from Talabat mobile application and I make a selection of 4 different burgers. Also I paid through debit card and I found the service is so secure for online order. I ordered 4 meals from the 4 different applications and I'm waiting for the order. I'm also very hungry. Hardee's come first and then McDonald's because I ordered directly from the restaurant application and I found the delivery time is much faster. Talabat comes third and at the end ToYou. I found the restaurant that makes their own food and deliver it to you tend to be more faster and a little bit more reasonably priced. Whereas if you want restaurant quality and variety, might you have to wait longer and pay more because delivery fees are expensive and delivery and pickup takes time. For more amazing content, do subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.